Hey King, want to start with extra benefits before you even play? Then don't create your account without code CAVWIN. First, open the site and start creating your account. During registration, when you see the promo code section, enter CAVWIN and apply it. If you already have an account, go to the left corner and click the redeem button. Then enter CAVWIN and apply the code. Once applied, the code will be activated and you'll unlock bonus rewards and extra benefits. This means that every time you play, you can receive even more rewards. So make sure to activate CAVWIN and enjoy the extra benefits.
If you want some better, you already know it's CAVWIN. CAVWIN in the morning. Everyone uses CAVWIN. The code is CAVWIN. Activate code CAVWIN. Data journey begins. If you want some better, you already know it's CAVWIN. CAVWIN in